Hey, boys and girls. Today for our phonics for this week, I thought we would do something a little bit different. I am going to play a PowerPoint for you. And the PowerPoint is going to flash some sight words for you very quickly. And your job is to read the sight words as fast as you can when they pop up on the screen. And this is to help build what we call our automaticity, which is how quickly we read words. And that's going to help you as we continue to move on in our reading. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get this started, and then as soon as it comes up, you say the word as quickly as you can. Okay, I'm not going to say it with you this first time. I'm going to go through, there's going to be a few lists that we're going to go through. And after we're done with a couple of the lists, 2 or 3 of the lists, I'm going to stop it and then we'll go back and I'll read it too, and we can check and see if you got the words right. Okay, you ready? Let's go ahead and go. Okay, all right. How'd you do? Woohoo! We got to 205 slides. We didn't do them all though. We started at 80. So, well, let's go back. Let's go back and check how we did. Okay, I'm going to go back to this slide here, and then I'm going to start it over and I'm going to say it, and you see if you can say it with me. See if you can beat me. Even better, right? Beat the teacher. Okay, ready? Keep. Need. Going. What? Children. Thing. Why? Again. Want. Animals. Sing. Went. Jump. Read. Said. Live. There. One. Great. Every. Bear. Father. Find. Sound. Friend. Song. Thought. Run. Enough. Brain. Air. New. Put. Heard. Afraid. Wind. choose, without, move, then, morning, tired, shiny, old, trade, promise, pieces, suit, push, though, begins, food, light, visit, clue, breathe, insects, weather, noticed, money. Okay, how'd we do? All right, you can keep practicing those, and we'll do some more next time.